Hey everybody, Patrick Boyle here. I'm actually not going to talk to you about everything we're hearing and seeing on the news. What I'm actually going to tell you about is something that's awesome that I think is going to happen this week. Actually, I know it's going to happen this week. It's going to happen tomorrow. Spring's going to show up. I have always loved spring since I was a little kid, and I would imagine many of you do too. When I was a little kid, my mom would always say to me, "Hope springs eternal." And you know, when you're a little kid, 95% of what the adults tell you or try and teach you, you don't pay attention to. Much like the kids on Charlie Brown, when the adults would talk, they would make a want noise is what they were hearing. So, when I was a little kid, I always equated that to spring. Now, as I got older, I kind of realized, or what that poem meant to me was, always keep a fresh, optimistic approach towards things. And I would imagine a lot of you currently might have some unexpected free time on your hands. So what I'm going to try and do during this time is get you as much information as I can regarding your heating and cooling needs. Since we currently are deemed a industry that is essential, we will be around for any no heat, hot water, and on Saturday or Friday it might get hot, so air conditioning if you need that. So we have been around since 1937, and I did some quick math before I turned this phone on, and I think that's around 30,000 consecutive days in business, and we continue to keep that streak going. So chew on that, Cal Ripken. With that, so if you do have any emergencies, please give us a call. We will adhere to all social distancing policies. So if you do have any no heat, no hot water calls, please give us a call. And like I say to all our people, please have a safe and productive day. Thanks a lot.